Afraid of not finding the right manufacturer? Exclusive regional dealership policy prevents destructive competition, securing stable profits and long-term cooperation. OEM/ODM customization available, supporting private labeling and configurable options, allowing dealers to tailor products to local market needs. Strictly selecting engines from renowned brands such as Dongfeng and Weichai. All other components are independently developed. With multiple certified patents, our products are built for long-lasting durability. Choose Chongli, assured quality and stable supply.